First thing,
Who's your favorite actor?
Junior NTR.
Okay. Why are so much liking Junior NTR?
Well, I have become the fan of Telugu film industry since I have watched the Magadhira. Then I came to know about various actors, including the Junior NTR. And recently I got to know about, I have seen the movie RRR. So I have been ultimately become the fan of Junior NTR. Ultimately a big, super guy. He is.
Which movie is so much liking about Junior NTR favorite your movie?
RRR for the foremost, and recently, like what is into the, consideration. So I would love to watch Junior NTR again on the big movie, on the big floor.
Okay, you saw what to teaser?
What's up, please?
You saw what to teaser? What to teaser?
What two things? Well, his acting skills is up to the remark, but I should think he should take into the consideration of few more stunts, like as the Tom Cruise is into the portfolio. Yeah. So if he is competing like that, and it's really create an ultimate audience towards the international level also.
Oh, how is it choosing the combo of Hrithik Roshan versus Junior NTR?
Junior NTR, ultimately biggest fan.
So how is the response in choosing the what to scenes with Junior NTR combo?
Well, I think it always going to be positive, but see, as an actor and as a performer, he is ultimately a greatest artist. But like as an actor, you also did some kind of experimentation to keep your audience engaged and also acquire new audiences. So I think he can grab international audiences. Although I'm no one to judge here because I'm just a normal guy, but ultimately he's the super god of the Telugu film industry. So I think he would definitely do create a magic on the floor.
So actually, Junior NTR is the first film making the Bollywood movie. What is your expectations?
Very high expectation. I think the war to definitely do create a bigger impact into not just up to the Indian level, but I think it should reach more than just an internationally. So I think this would definitely do create a chaos into the film industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you say something about Junior NTR or praising words about him?
Legend, God, and supreme.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.